Welcome, here I've got Doogee S60 and I'm gonna show you how to activate image stabilization while recording a video at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply tapping to the video here from the left. Here we are. Now let's move to the left corner to this button. When we tap on it, we can open the advanced camera settings, and in the video mode at the second place we have electronic image stabilization option. So by using this button we can turn on the stabilization and turn off as we need, like that. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.